Porque la lluvia nunca se hunde.
A la gente por los coches.
Al suelo.
Ay, Dios mío. No pasa nada.
Madre mía, esto es normal que se va a ahogar. La que va a liar.
¡Tira para atrás!
Mira, Daisy, está lloviendo acá bastante fuerte. Mira, Daisy, los contenedores. Mira cómo se llaman los contenedores, Paco.
Ahora se va a poner en el puente, ¿no?
Ahora cuando está viniendo más agua. Entonces va a ir al puente.
Concerns were growing in the Guadalhorce Valley on Saturday as the Guadalhorce River overflowed its banks in several areas, experiencing significant increases due to flash floods affecting, among other areas, the Estación de Cártama area.
Madre mía, está desbordado.
In a video posted on Instagram, the local mayor, George Gallardo, showed a significant increase in the river's level and warned that the river was overflowing and the situation looks serious. The mayor explained that he was alerting all surrounding areas due to the risk of water reaching populated areas. Attention was drawn to the Guadalhorce River as it passed through Cártama, where the riverbed had reached red level, with a height of approximately 5.42 meters and an average flow of 1,052.97 cubic meters per second, according to the latest data updated by the Hidrosur network. In a live broadcast on social media, Gallardo expressed his concern that the river would overflow, as has already happened in several areas, and that last year's severe flooding would be repeated. Other images captured by the mayor of Estación de Cártama show the impact of the flooding, with containers floating, carried away by the current. Speaking to Malaga Hoy, the mayor stated that heavy rain had caused many incidents and confirmed that half of Estación de Cártama is flooded. At the time of publication, he was awaiting the arrival of firefighters while standing with local police officers, trying to coordinate with the resources we have in response to numerous calls from residents for assistance. Cártama City Hall reported shortly before 1 o'clock a.m. that the A7057 road remained closed. The A7054 road was also closed, both towards Maqueda and towards Pizarra. Travel on the highway was discouraged, and residents were urged to exercise extreme caution.
Mira, Daisy, está lloviendo acá bastante fuerte. Mira, Daisy, los contenedores. Mira cómo se llaman los contenedores, Paco.
It's worth noting that this new episode of heavy rainfall comes a year after the floods that hit the Guadalhorce Valley on October 29, 2024, when Hurricane Diana flooded homes, closed roads, and destroyed crops.
Wow.
The National Meteorological Agency, AMET, has raised the alert level to maximum for heavy rainfall in the western Costa del Sol, including the capital, and the Guadalhorce Valley, where the storm has been battering since midday. The alert will remain red until 4 o'clock a.m., with thunderstorms and strong gusts of wind expected. Soon after the weather alert was raised, at around 9:15 p.m., ES alert notifications with civil protection warnings began sounding on all mobile phones in the affected areas. The message warned of a dangerous situation, urged extreme caution, avoided unnecessary travel, did not cross flood-prone areas, and did not engage in activities near rivers and streams. If you are in a flood-prone area, seek higher ground or go upstairs. The message read, Andalusia's 112 emergency service responded to more than 60 rain-related incidents throughout the region on Saturday, with the province of Malaga being the most affected by the rainfall, although no significant personal or material damage was recorded. Between 12 o'clock p.m. and 6:30 p.m., a total of 68 rain-related calls were received. The majority of these calls came from the province of Malaga, 54, with Marbella being the most affected city with more than 20 calls. Incidents were also reported in the cities of Alhorn de la Torre, Antequera, Benahavís, Casares, Estepona, Fuengirola, Igualeja, Iznate, Malaga, Manilva, Mijas, Rincón de la Victoria, Ronda, Torremolinos, and Vélez Malaga. Many of these reports were caused by falling objects, fences, traffic signs, telephone poles, streetlights, tree branches, Christmas lights, awnings, facade elements, and similar objects that fell or were about to fall, flooding of garages and homes, and traffic accidents without injuries. In Benahavís, a landslide and hail forced the complete closure of the A397 in both directions from kilometers 13 to 31 from 7:21 p.m. to 8:14 p.m., but traffic was restored by then, although it was difficult to navigate due to snow on the road. In the province of Huelva, several incidents were dealt with. In Ayamonte, a road was flooded by rainwater, and in Rociana, where a tree branch fell on the Hue 4102 road. The Special Emergency Plan for Flood Risk in Andalusia, PRI, remains active in the pre-emergency phase, Operational Situation 0, since last Thursday, the 24th. This pre-emergency phase is characterized by the monitoring of the phenomena that have occurred and the available forecasts and predictions, which are reported to the competent bodies and authorities in terms of civil protection, as well as to the general public.
La que se ha liado Chupi ya, ¿eh? Mira, 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 mira.